Guys, let's check out these garlic Parmesan chicken wings right here. Let's check this out first. Oh my god. Hey guys, today I'm doing garlic chicken wings, and here's my chicken wings, and they are washed properly. And I'm about to season them. As you see, I was doing there. So I'll add some paprika right there. I'm gonna put some meat seasoning here. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs. Here's some black pepper. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny. Here's my favorite, my jerk seasoning. And remember, we don't always want to put this because they are salty. So this is basically what I'm going to use to season this. But to this, guys, I'm going to add 2 eggs to this. Then I'm going to get everything incorporated and water. Here's 1 egg, guys. Here's another. Now we're gonna start to combine everything together. Yes. This is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. Here we have a bag, and it has some flour to put my chicken wings in. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season this flour right now. First, I'm going to add some baking powder to this. Also, I'm gonna add some black pepper. Then to this, guys, I'm gonna add some egg powder. Yes. And guys, with this lovely Parmesan chicken, I'm going to serve this of the white rice. Yes. So here I'm adding the egg powder. You know you can't use a lot. So guys, here we have the egg powder with the baking powder also, and the black pepper, where everything is incorporated nicely. Now to this, I'm just gonna pour in the chicken wings. Remember, the chicken wings, it has egg on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour out the entire mixture in the flour, just like that. Because I want my chicken wings to be lovely and fluffy, I do it this way. So look at them, guys. So I have a pot on the fire as usual, and it's hot. I'm gonna head over there and I'm gonna put these lovely wings in. So guys, here's my lovely pot of oil and it's hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the wings in. And I'm just gonna put the amount that can hold in this pot right now. So I have to fry in 2 sets maybe. And as you can see how beautiful they are already. Yes. I think it can hold another one. So I'm gonna put one of the thin piece in.
Guys, look at those beautiful chicken wings. I'm sure I'm gonna take you through the process of doing this, so let's stay right there. I'll show you how it's done. So guys, also I have a pepper here. I'm gonna just put it here because I like my food to have a little spice. I have some garlic cloves and I'm just gonna add them to the oil like this. And this is our fried chicken. This is our fried chicken. So look at that, guys. Look how beautiful these chicken are. And they aren't even ready as yet. But you know, Miss Brown, like I tell you guys, I always have a style when I'm cooking. So I always put a style to my food. Guys, here I have a pot that I'm cooking my rice in. I'm just adding a piece of butter. I'm also gonna add some salt to this. And as you know, we taste to make sure it's perfect for cooking that rice. Also to this, I'm gonna add a little piece of thyme. So guys, right now I'm gonna let the butter melt properly, and also I'm gonna let the water build up back to perfect boil. Then I'm gonna add the rice to that. So guys, here the butter is fully melted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the rice to this. As you know guys, rice is not hard to cook and it doesn't require a lot. So I'm just gonna stir this around and I'm just gonna cook until tender. You know that already. Until this water is disappeared. Okay, so that is that, guys. I'll show you later when the rice is ready. So guys, look how beautiful these chicken wings are. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cover this, let it steam a little, and I'll show you when all the wings are done. Okay guys? So guys, here's my lovely rice. As you can see, it's fluffy and nice. I don't want it to be too soft, guys. So what I'm gonna do, it's right now ready, but it's not fully cooked. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this piece of aluminum foil inside so that it can steam the rice. Because you know you don't want to add water, because if you don't add the right amount, in which if I should add water, I would know the right amount of water to add. But for some people, they will just pour a lot of water in it, and what happens, the rice is going to be too soft. So what you can do is use a piece of aluminum foil just like this, or you can put a clean plastic bag over it. So I'm just going to let it turn down the fire low and let it steam. So I'll show you when everything is ready, guys. Now I'm making my lovely butter garlic sauce for my chicken. So here is the butter, and here I'm adding some fresh garlic. Oh my god, guys, the aroma of this is so lovely. It is so nice. You know, when it comes to garlic and butter, that combination is just everything. It is just everything, guys. Guys, and as you know, you could say this is done. Yes. Guys, here's my chicken wings, and they are done. As you can see right here. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna brush some garlic butter on this. Normally, guys, what you can do if you want is just put all of them in a container and pour the mixture over it and just give it a shake. But I'm not gonna do that, guys. I'm really not gonna do that because I don't want it to be too oily or buttery, if you want to say that. So I'm just gonna brush my butter sauce over this, my garlic butter sauce, just like so. gonna brush it on. Guys, you know this garlic butter sauce right here is just everything. And guys, remember we're making garlic parmesan chicken wings. Yes. And this has to be done on both sides. Guys, but I'm not gonna do both sides today. You can do yours both sides, but I don't want, like I said, guys, here I'm adding some Parmesan cheese to these lovely wings, as you can see right here. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it on a Friday night. Yes, guys, it's Friday. It is Friday. Lovely, lovely Friday. And I am making some lovely Parmesan, garlic Parmesan chicken wings. And as you can see how beautiful they are. There it is, guys. I love the garlic Parmesan chicken. How beautiful is that? How beautiful is this right now? So guys, I'm gonna make a plate for you. I'm gonna show you. I know Miss Brown can style do this right now. So guys, here is my lovely garlic Parmesan chicken wings. Oh my god, guys, look at this plate right here. Look at this. I have served it with some white rice, as you can see. Well, I'm gonna bring you close to see everything in detail. Guys, let's check out these garlic chicken wings right here. Let's check this out first. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look how beautiful these chicken wings are. Alright, you know Miss Brown already. You know, as I said all the time, I bring a style to whatever I do. Look at this sauce right here to go along. I made this. I made that sauce. That sauce is made of chia seed, sesame seed, and some dried rosemary, mayonnaise. We have a little bit of sugar, some vinegar, and a little bit of lime juice. Yes, guys, that's an excellent sauce right here. Check these. Oh, look at this plate. Look at this entire plate right here. Guys, like I always say, you know you want to come over to Miss Brown's house right now for this. You know you want to come over for some of this lovely garlic and chicken right now. This is beautiful. I could pay money for this. I've paid money and I didn't get this. Guys, I went out and I paid big money and I didn't even get this. I didn't know that too. You know when we go to don't get this kind of service. And this is for free actually. So guys, just enjoy this video for me. Yes, enjoy it. You can try it. You know, this is lovely and I really like that. So thank you guys. Tell somebody about Miss Brown like I always said. That's what I'm doing. Tell them to come into my kitchen. There's always something for them to do.